YouTube. Let's pop it. You should get daddy too. That was another one. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god. We did some long, crazy few months. I've been going for like, I don't know how long I've been going, but I've been a good couple months. But y'all just been trying to get life together, cause hey, life was hard. Life was life, but guess what? It's starting to smoothen out, you know. I've been going, trying to get stuff right, trying to get stuff in order, trying to be on my next journey, my next pathway. Yeah, that's why I've been gone. I hope y'all miss me. I miss y'all. I definitely miss y'all. I definitely miss making content for y'all, uploading videos. But yeah, but right now, waiting to go to the beach. I'm ready. I just got done, you know, taking the trash out and stuff before we left. But yeah, today is beach day. Gonna get a nice little breeze. Hope the water ain't too cold. I don't really like no cold water. I don't know when last time I've been to the beach either. Anyway, if y'all hear planes and stuff, my bad. We live by the airport, so it's a constant thing. But yeah, y'all, I got done brushing my teeth and stuff. Waiting on the girls. You know, they take forever. But yeah, y'all, once we get on the road, I'm gonna catch up with y'all, and then we gonna hop back into this thing. Oh, I miss y'all. Welcome back to the game. Let's game the city. Welcome back, y'all. But yeah, I'll check y'all later. Drive to the beach. We get about 30 minutes. All this bad. But yeah, y'all feeling gas up and then head out there. And then I'm gonna catch back with y'all. Let's took it. I stretched it a little bit. It's really like 45 minutes away. We got
JP in the building.
Yeah, kid.
The beach ready? Beach, check the fit. The hair on, but don't worry about it, cause check the fit. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Where your towel at?
The sun is beaming, baby. The sun wanna see all this.
You need to find that towel.
The towel's in the bag.
Oh. Let's see if this one need help in here. Need help? Oh. All right. Yeah, the sun is beaming out here. Like, good sun beaming out here.
Lovely Sunday. Perfect for the beach. Hello.
Got the bag on me. Don't walk up on me. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna hit y'all back when I make it to the sand.
I walk up on you.
Oh, it's always like if you're on my neck. No, no.
Stay up on it though.
Alright, y'all finally got a little Shay out the car. Oh, my bad. You gotta say that. You gotta say that. Oh, please. Yeah, I really hope this water ain't cold, too cold. You know how that sea salt get, that salt water. Got my toes a little better than y'all. Ooh, let me not split the pole, 'cause I ain't got time.
Life over.
No.
They'll be acting up. Life over.
Yeah, hold on, y'all. You got an arm tree slapping you. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. I want to record. I'm crying. Cause that my feet look good. Ooh. Ooh. Woo, come on. Woo. Hold on. Alright, y'all, a little quick update on the beach. The water feels good. Not cold. It's that water that makes you cheese, cause you know it ain't gonna be cold. I done thought some warm water, that's all I can do is cheese. That cold water. Woo. Oh my god, I gotta set my phone up. try to find some food because we ate. We just got up and came to the beach.
That beach was luckily
Probably like 2 o'clock now.
2 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
So
Don't worry about how long we've been out here. We had our fun.
Lululemon.
Not too much, not too much.
I'm trying. Man. Alright, what's good? What's y'all? Because my nigga is alright. Yeah, y'all. Right now, I had to make a quick stop at Walmart. Gonna have some fish and grits. Woo. I can't wait. So we had to get some fish fry. So we at Walmart right now. Hopefully we won't be in here too long because we come here for one thing, seriously. And we standing in these lines for like 20 minutes minimum. Just for that one thing. I'm really trying to be in it, not put my stomach grab. So we shall see. Say what? Moisturize this scalp.
Favorite rapper's favorite rapper. Hey, now I'm your favorite trapper's favorite trapper. The absolute truth, yeah, no joke. Who me? I emerge from the smoke in the hearts of those who grind with.
Alright, yeah, so we back from Walmart. Got the fish fry and stuff. We got the fish fry. JC in here cooking these up. Look, ooh. Got the grits. Okay. Yeah, I'm so hungry. We've been to our pool too. Give me a bowl of cereal. I can't do it. But man. Can't get done fast enough. We got Shell over there. She comes to see me nowhere. Sit down. Alright, yeah, I'm back. You know, I don't want to say, I just want to say. I know I forgot to show y'all the food. I know. But y'all know when the food is good, you just can't do nothing, you can't say nothing. You just think about getting the food gone. But yeah, that's what happened. The fish and grease was A1. It was much needed after all that water. And hit the spot. So yeah, I'm finna call it a night because back to reality. Got work tomorrow. Time getting it back. So thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you be notified. And the girls in the pin. Let me know what content y'all want to see. Let me know what y'all want to see. Let me know what y'all want to know about me. Like where I've been and stuff. And we're going to get that done. But until next video, I'm out. Peace.